This conference will now be recorded.
Fine. Let us start the session. Let me go and open one notepad. Now, see here, guys. In the yesterday's class, we discussed about Power Apps user interface. What is the UI for Power Apps? What are the different sections will be there? We discussed about Power Apps user interface in the yesterday's class. Now, see, in today's session, we are going to start creating the apps within the Power Apps. Within the Power Apps, from today onwards, we are going to start creating the apps. Guys. Now, in today's session, we are going to create our first app. We are going to create our first app. Now, let me show you how to go and create one simple app now in today's session, guys. So I'm going to create an app for the AB trainings for my institute itself. For the AB trainings itself, I'm going to create one app, one simple app. Now let me go and show you how to create an app within the Power Apps now in today's session, guys. So now to go and create the app, first of all, what we need to do? We need to go and open the Power Apps. So now to go and open the Power Apps, go and open any one of the web browser. Let me go and open the Microsoft Edge. Now in this, let me go and type here make.powerapps.com. Go and use the web URL to open the Power Apps. What is that web URL? make.powerapps.com. Now click on the enter button. Now I'm going to open the Power Apps. Let it open. Fine, guys. Now see, currently I'm connected to what? Power Apps. Now in this, in today's session, we are going to discuss about how to go and create an app. We are going to create our first app now. Now, in order to go and create the apps, first of all, whenever you open the Power Apps, you will be landing to which page? Home page, home tab. Now from the home tab itself, you can go and start creating the apps, guys. Now see, ways to create the app. From here itself, you can start creating the apps, guys. From here itself, you can go and start it. But it is not recommended to go and start create the apps from here. I said that you need to go to which tab in order to go and create the apps. Go to the create tab. Now go and click on the create tab. Now from the create tab, you can go and create your apps. Now, this is the place where you can go and create the apps. Now see, I need to go and create an app from the blank, from the scratch. I want to create an app. So let me go and click on this blank app. Create an app from the scratch. Just click on it. When I click on it, now I want to create an app for what? I'm going to create an app by using the canvas, or if you want to create an app by using the model driven apps. Already we discussed about what is this model driven apps and what is this canvas app, when to go and use the canvas, when to go and use the model driven, and also we discussed about what is the differences between the canvas app and then model driven apps. Now for now, let me go and create an app in the canvas app, guys. In our training, we'll concentrate more on what? Creating the apps based on the canvas app. Now let me go and click on create. Go and click on what? Create. I'm going to create what app now? Canvas apps here. Just go and click on create. Now see, when I click on create, it is asking us to pass the app name. So let me go and pass the app name here, guys. What is the name I'm passing here is, let me keep the name as AB trainings. So I'm creating an app for now for the AB trainings. So I'm keeping the name as what? AB trainings is the app name. Now you want to create this app for the tablet mode or for the mobile layout. Now let me go and create the app for the mobile layout, guys. We'll discuss in which scenarios you can go and use the tablet mode, guys. For now, let me go and click on what? Phone mode, mobile mode. Now just go and click on create. When I click on create, now it is going to, or it will allow us to create an app. The app name is AB trainings is the app name. The mode I'm going to keep is create, mobile mode. Now just go and click on create. Now when I click on create, now it is going to open the canvas within the Power Apps. It is going to open the canvas app, guys. Now see, currently I'm working with the app name. What's the app name? AB trainings is my app name. Here you are able to see the app name, which app you are working with. Next, now this is the place. This is the place where you need to go and create your app sketch. Already we discussed it, right? The place where you can go and design or create the apps is Canvas pane. This one we'll call it as Canvas pane, or we'll call it as a screen. So here in today's session, we'll discuss about how to go and create the apps. So in order to go and create the apps, you need to go and use what? Controls. So there are different types of controls is there. By using this a number of controls, we are going to design the app in the Canvas app. So let me go and discuss about how to create an app for the A/B training sketch. Now see, this is the Canvas app already we discussed. Here you need to go and create the apps. This is the place where we need to go and create the apps. Now first my requirement here is I want to do some formatting here, guys. This is the actual canvas. What's the background for this canvas now, or a screen? White. Now I want to change the background color. I want to change the background color from white to red. So in order to go and this is some formatting, guys. You can change the background color from here in the properties pane. You can go and change the fill color. Let me go and select this and click on what? Red. Or otherwise, on the top you are able to see the background color, guys. You can go and click on this one also. Go and click on what? Background color. From here also you can change the background color. Let me go and change the background color to what? Red. Now select the background color to red. Now see, I'm changing the background color of this screen or a canvas to red. So this is one of the property. I'm using to change the color of the screen. And next to my requirement here is I need to go and keep some image here, guys. So I'm creating an app for the A/B trainings. So I need to go and create one background image. I want to add an image in the background. So if you want to add the image, directly you can go and add the images here. You can add the image, not from here, background image. Directly you can add the image from here so that you can keep some background images here. So instead of going and adding the image from here itself, you can add the images from here, background images. Instead of going and adding the image from here, better to go and add the images with the help of controls. So if you add the image from here, you are not able to fit the image wherever if you want to keep it here within the canvas. So if you want to do some customizations, go and insert one control, guys. I want to keep some background images. I want to keep some AB logo. So in order to perform this, go and insert one control. Go to the insert tab and select for the control for image. Go to the search bar and type here image, guys. So when I type here image, now it is showing the control. The control name is what? Image is one of the control. Now just go and select the image as control, guys. Just go and select what? Image control. Now once after selecting the image control, now select this and you can drag and drop anywhere. Wherever if you want to keep the logo of your A/B trainings or if for your app, you can keep it. I want to align it to center. So just keep it in the center. I'm just adding one control. So for this is the image control, guys. What is this? This is the image control. Whenever if you add any control from the insert tab into the canvas or a screen where you can see these controls, you are able to see the controls under the tree view. Under the tree view, in screen one, I'm adding one control. What's that control? Image control. Now I want to keep one image in this case. Now how to add the images here? Select the control. Select the control and you have in the properties pane there is something called image. Now go and click on this drop down. Now click on this add an image file. Go and click on this add an image file. Now it is you can upload the files from your local system, guys. So let me go and add some images, upload some images. So I want to add the logo of A/B trainings. So just go to the images. Let me go and select the this is the image I want to add, A/B trainings. Just select the image and click on open. Now see when I click on open, now the image is added. I want to keep fit this image, guys. So let me go and fit this image. And also I want to do some formattings here. Now it is currently the image position is fit. I want to make it as fill. So when I make it as fill, it looks somewhat better now. So just keep it like this. I want to keep it like this. Now this is the image I am adding here. So this is the logo for A/B trainings. And the next, What's my requirement here is, once after adding the image, I want to keep some text here guys. In the bottom, I want to keep some text. What the text I want to keep here is, AB is the logo. I want to keep the text as AB trainings. I want to keep the text as what? AB trainings. Now how to keep the text here? So if it is possible for us to directly keep the text here means no. What, whenever if you want to go, whenever if you want to go and design your app, you need to go and use what? You need to go and use the controls. You can add the controls from here, or you can go and add the controls from here also, from the menu bar, auth authoring menu. This is what called app authoring menu. Let me go and insert one of the control guys. What control I want to add it here is, I want to keep some text here. Not to go and keep the text, which is the control you need to go and use. I need to go and use the control called text label. So just go and add one control, select the control as text label, and then drag it and place it here. Drag and drop here, place it here. Now let me do some basic formatting here. Let me go and do some basic formatting. Yes. Let me align it to center. Let me align it to center. And also let me change the font style. Let me keep the same font. Let me go and keep the same font and change the size. Let me go and keep the size as 26. Let me align it to center. Size as 26, and let me keep it in the semi bold. Now, what is the default text it is keeping? The default, by default is keeping it as a text. I want to change it now. Now how to change it? One way, you can go to the text, and from here you can change it. From here itself you can go and change. Otherwise, click on this text, and then here in the ribbon, in the formula bar, you are able to see it here. Now let me go and change the default value from text to trainings, AB trainings. So let me do some formatting here. I want to keep some spaces so it looks somewhat better. Let me keep few more spaces. Fine, like this I want to keep. And also I want to change the font color guys. I want to change the font color from black to white. Now I want to do some formatting. Let me go and change the font color to white. From here you can change the font color, or you can go to this right navigation properties pane. You can scroll down. From here also you can go and change it. Here you can go and by select this and click on the font to what? White color. So I'm changing the font to what? White color. Now see, I'm keeping one logo here. This is my logo, AB trainings logo, and in the bottom I'm keeping it what? AB trainings. So we are giving some trainings to the software related courses. And then next, I want to keep some text here guys. I want to keep some text here. What's the text here is, get started. So whenever I click on this get started, I want to start some process. So let me go and add one more text label. I want to keep some text here. In order to go and keep the text, go and insert what control? Go and insert the text label. Go and insert the text label and place it wherever you want and keep it here. Let me do some basic formatting. Let me align it to center. Let me align it to center. And also let me change to 26. Keep it in the semi bold. Change the color, text color to black itself. Let me change the background color. Let me go and change the background color to yellow. And let me increase some size here. Let me increase some size. And let me change the default value guys. What's the default value it is keeping? Text. I want to change the default value to get started. What I want to keep here? I want to keep something called get started. So not to go and change the text, go and click on it, go to the text. From here in the formula bar you can change, or from here also you can go and change it. So just go and remove this text and add it here, get started. Get started. Now click on enter. Now see, I'm adding one text here. What is the text? Get started is the text. Now see, when I click on this get started, the students or my team need to be enter into the actual main content of the app. So this is my first screen guys. This is my first screen. Now in the first screen, what I am doing here, just I'm keeping one logo, and I'm keeping some text, and I'm keeping something called text get started. Now this is my first screen. Now I need to go and add my second screen, guys. I need to go and design my second screen. This is my first screen, welcome screen. So always I will request you go and change the screen names, guys. Screen 1, screen 2, it is somewhat difficult for us to understand. So let me go and rename it. How to rename the screen names? Just go to the screen, select the screen, double click on it, you can rename it. Or select the screen, go to this three ellipses, and then from here also you can go and click on what? Rename. Or otherwise select the screen, from here also you can go and change the screen name. From here also you can go and change the screen name. So there are different places where you can go and change it, guys. So just double click on it, and let me keep here the screen name as welcome screen. This is the first screen, guys, welcome screen. Now see, this is my first screen, that is welcome screen. I'm changing the screen name here. Now this is my first screen. The first screen, how many controls is there? First I added one image, next I added one text label, and next I added one more text label for get started. These are the controls I'm using in the screen 1, that is welcome screen. Now I want to go and design another screen, screen 2. So how to go and add another screen? From where you can go and add one new screen. So in order to go and add the screens, go and click on what? New screen. When I click on this new screen, now you are able to add the new screen, guys. So you can add the blank screen, or you can go to the templates. When I go to the templates, there are different templates will be there. You can directly make use of these templates also. I want to add what now? Blank screen. You can go and select the new screen from here, or on the top also there is an option where you can go and select the new screen. You can go and select from here also. When I click on it, you can add the blank screen from here. Now let me go and add one more screen, screen 2, guys. So go and click on what? New screen. Now click on the blank screen. Now see, there is one more screen that is added, the screen 2. Now in this screen 2 also, I need to go and change the background color, guys. I want to change the background color to red. Now how to change the background color? You can go and change it from here, or you can go and change it from here on the top. So just go and select the background color and change it to what? Red. Now once after changing the background color, I want to keep some text here, guys. What I want to keep here is AB. What I want to keep here is AB. So I want to keep some text. So in order to go and keep the text, again I'm going to take some of the controls. Whenever if you want to design your app, whenever if you want to design your screen, you need to go and take what? Controls. So let me go and add one of the control. Now I want to keep some text here. In order to go and keep the text, what's the control you need to go and use? Text label. Select the text label and keep it here. I want to do some formatting. Align it to center, and also change the font color to white. Change the font color to white, and then change the size to 80. Change the size to 80, and also let me go and keep it in the bold. Let me go and keep it in the bold. Now let me go and change the text. By default is keeping the value as a text. I want to change it. So just go and change the text to AB. Or let me go and keep here ABT. No, let me keep it as AB itself. Now see here, guys, this is the text I'm keeping. AB is the text I'm keeping. Now once after keeping AB here, now in the bottom I want to keep something like trainings, AB trainings. So in order to go and keep that, again go and add what? Text label. Go and insert one more text label. Keep it here below the AB. Now go and do some formatting, align it to center, semi bold, and let me keep it as 30. And let me change the font color to red, white, and let me change the text. The text I want to keep it here is trainings. AB trainings. So just go and do some formatting. Formatting itself, it will take a lot of time here, guys. Why? Because you are working on the UI, you are a designer, you need to go and design that. Fine. Now see, I'm adding two text controls here, guys. Text labels. One is for to keep the AB, second one is to keep what? AB trainings. Now once after keeping this text, now my requirement here is I want to keep some quotations here, guys. If you see, if you take any business or any company, the companies will have some slogans, or the companies will have some quotations. Quotes will be there. So for AB trainings also there is some slogan is there, guys. Some quotations will be there. What it will be means, training is our passion, excellence is our goal. So what's that notice? Training is our passion, excellence is our goal. So I want to keep that point here in below the trainings. I want to keep what? Training is our passion, excellence is our goal. Not to go and keep it again, I want to keep what here? Text. You want to go and keep the text, you need to go and insert what? One control. Which control you need to go and insert? Text label. So again, select the text label and keep it here. Now let me change the font. Change the font color to white. First, let me keep it in the left itself. Let me change it to font to white, and also change the size. Let me go and change the size to 26. Keep it in the semi bold. Now let me go and change the text. What's the text I want to keep it here is, training is our passion. Training is our passion. And excellence is our goal. I can keep the excellence also here itself, guys. But it doesn't looks good. It will come to the bottom. So what I will do here is, in the first one, I will keep like this. Training is our passion. And next, I'm going to take another control, another one more text input control, text label. And I'm going to keep it here. I'm going to keep it here. And I'm going to change the layout. Let me keep it in the left. Change the font to white. And then change the size to 26. Keep it in the semi bold. Now let me go and keep here what? Training is our passion. Next one is what? Excellence is our goal. Let me go and change the text. Excellence is our goal. So this is the quotation we are having for our AB trainings, guys. This is the tag we are having. Training is our passion. Excellence is our goal. So what I'm doing here, I'm just keeping I'm designing my app here, guys. Nothing more than that. So first I'm keeping here is what? Just 1 second. Let me align it properly. Fine. Keep it like this. So I'm keeping something like training is our passion. Excellence is our goal. Now, once after this, I want to keep some text here. New student registration. Whenever the new student is inquired for any course, if the student wants to register, so if they click on it, if they click on this, that student need to be registered, guys. It need to open one form. So whenever the student click on this new student registration, it need to go and open one form. The student need to fill the details. Once filling the details, they need to click on the submit button. Once the student is submitting the button, then the student is going to be registered with us. So I'm going to keep one more text control here. So what is the text control is? New student registration. So just go and insert what? Go and click on insert, and let me go and select the text label. Keep it here. Now I want to do some formatting here. So what is the formatting I want to keep it here is, first of all, let me align it to center, and also let me change the font size. Let me keep it in the bold, and also let me change the background color. Let me go and change the background color to white, and let me go and change the font color to red. I'm doing some formatting here, guys. And now let me go and keep the text. Let me go and change the text. What's the text I want to keep here is, get started, not get started. The text I want to keep it here is new student registration. New student registration. So this is the text I'm keeping, guys. Simple. Let me keep here 26. Fine. Now it looks good. Now I'm keeping one more control here. New student registration. Whenever if I click on this, it need to open one form. It need to go and open one form where we can go and fill the student details. What is the student name? What is the student mobile number? what is the student email id, for which course the student is registering, and also what is the fee we are telling to them, and what's the course duration. So like this I need to go and fill one form, guys. Whenever the new student is wants to register with us, so if I click on this button, or when I click on it, new student registration, it need to go and open one form. Once if I fill the form, we need to go and click on the submit. Once if I submit the button, that data need to go and store in the data sources, and the student is going to be successfully registered with us. So how to go and click on it, when I click on it, how to go and open the form, you'll understand, guys. I'll discuss. And next what I want to do here is I want to keep some icons here, guys. So let us say if you go and see any app, in the app there will be something like icons here. Like if you have any questions, if you want to talk to the customer support, there is one phone icon is there. When I click on this phone icon, directly you can call to the customer support, you can talk to them. And also I want to keep some icon here, WhatsApp icon. So if you want to talk to the customer support through WhatsApp, when I click on this WhatsApp icon, the customer need to talk to the customer support via WhatsApp. And also if you want to show any web pages, let us say my AB trainings is having some Facebook official web page, and also we have some YouTube official web page, we have some Instagram official web page. If you want to link those here, you can keep it. Now let me show you how to keep those icons. Whenever I click on these icons, I need to go and call to the customer. When I click on this icon, I need to go and chat with the customer support through WhatsApp. When I, let's say Facebook icon is there, when I click on the Facebook account, I directly need to navigate to the Facebook account of AB Trainings. When I click on the Instagram or YouTube, I need to navigate to the Instagram account of AB Trainings or YouTube account to the AB Trainings. This is what my requirement now. So I want to keep some URLs here, guys, by with the help of icons. So what I will do here is, not to go and perform this, I need to go and insert some controls. Which control I want to add it here is image control, guys. Let me go to the controls. Let me go and select the control as image. Let me go and select the control as image. Keep it in the bottom and reduce some size. Keep it here. Now in this is the image, guys. In this image I want to show the phone icon, phone image or an icon. Now how to go and show the phone icon in this image control? So in order to go and add the phone icon, select the image control, select the image control, and then go to the image here. Go to the properties. In the properties, go and select the images. For now it is none, so click on this drop down and click on this add an image file. When I click on this add an image file, now you can add the images from the in your local system, guys. I want to call to the customer support. I want to keep phone icon here, so select the image as what, phone image. Select this and click on open, and now see it is adding the mobile phone icon, guys. Now see, whenever I click on it, it need to call to the customer support. I will show you how to make a call. And next, the same I want to go and create for what, WhatsApp also, guys. So again, go to the insert tab, take one of the control as image, keep it here, adjust the size. Formatting is important, guys. Zoom it. Formatting is important. What is the width and size? Width, height, it is having the same width and height we need to keep for this one also. So just reduce some size, reduce some width, reduce some height. Now let me check what is the height and width for this. Width is 117, or let me keep it as 116. Width is 116 and the height is what, 102. So I want to keep the same for this one also. Width is 116 and the height is 102. Okay, now see, both height and width, both the image controls are same. So whatever the width and height I'm having for this phone icon, the same I need to go and keep it for this one also. Same width and height is there. Now for this I need to go and display what, I need to go and show the WhatsApp icon, guys. So go and click on the properties image, go and select what, add an image file. Now go and select the WhatsApp icon, guys. Go and select what, WhatsApp. Now select this one, WhatsApp, click on it. Now go and click on open. Now see, the WhatsApp is added. So like this I want to go and add few more icons here, guys. I'm adding for mobile and then phone call and then WhatsApp. Now I want to go and add for Facebook and also for the Instagram. If you want to add it for YouTube also, you can go and mention it here. So let me, instead of going and taking the multiple times image control from here, what I will do here is, so just to go and copy this control, select this one. You can go to this here, select the control. You can go to this left navigation. You can copy from here, guys. You can copy from here, or otherwise, just go and select the control. Control C in your system. Click on Control C, and then Control V. Copy and paste. Same control, same width, same height. Just align it. Just align it. Now in this, I want to show the, let us say, Instagram account, guys. From whenever I click on it, I want to navigate to the AB Trainings Instagram official website, web page. Now, in order to go and perform this, currently it is WhatsApp. Let me change it to Instagram. Again, go to what? Image. Go and click on it. When I click on it, go and click on what? Add an image file. Select this, add an image file. Now go and select the Instagram, guys. Go and select what? Icon as Instagram. Whatever the icon it will be. Select the icon and then click on open. Now see, the Instagram icon is added. In the same way, copy this phone icon, paste it. Now I want to add what? Let's say I want to add the Facebook. Now go to the, select the control, and then go to the image property. Go and add an image file. Now go and select what? Facebook. Select the icon Facebook and click on open. Now see, the Facebook is added. Now you need to align them properly, guys. You need to give same width and same height for everything. Same alignment, everything you need to go and keep it as same. So if you see, all are in the same positions. Almost all are in the same positions. I think somehow we need to move this to left. Fine. Now it looks good. Now these are the controls I'm adding. Now see, whenever I click on this mobile icon, whenever I click on this mobile icon, it need to call to the customer support, guys. Whenever we click on this, it need to call to the customer support. When I click on this WhatsApp, it need to contact to the support team via WhatsApp. I want to chat with the customer support. And then when I click on this Instagram icon, it need to open the AB Trainings official web page for Instagram. And when I click on the Facebook, it need to go and open what? It need to go open the AB Trainings official Facebook account. So this is what my requirement. Now by default, if you see, just go and save it. Let me check whether these icons are working or not. Now just go and save the app. Go and save the app and click on play button, guys. This is the play button. You can check this is your app is working properly or not. Click on play button. Now see, when I click on this, any one of the icon, it is not performing any operations, guys. Why it is not performing any operations? It is not performing any action here. Why? Because just I am adding the images here. Other than that, I did anything? No. Just by adding the images, it won't call to the customer support. It won't chat with the customer. It won't directly redirect to the Instagram page. You need to go and do some, or you need to go and use some functions in the backend. So how to go and make a call to the customer support, how to go and chat with the customer support through WhatsApp, you understand now. So once after adding the icons, we need to go and use some functions here, not to go and work with this, or in order to go and perform the actions with the help of this icon. Now before going to perform the actions with this icon, see, there are how many screens is there in this app? How many screens is there for now? There are two screens. One is welcome screen and second one is what? Screen 2. There are two screens is there. Now in the welcome screen, what I'm keeping? This is the welcome screen, guys. AB Trainings, one logo and some text. I'm keeping something called get started. Now what's my requirement here is, whenever I click on this get started, I want to navigate from screen 1 to, that is from welcome screen to screen 2. I want to navigate from screen 1 to screen 2. So whenever I click on this get started, I want to navigate from screen 1 to screen 2. Now how to navigate? Now see, when I go and play this, when I click on it, it is not performing any operation, guys. When I click on this get started, it is not performing any operation. Now tell me why it is not performing any operations. Now tell me why it is not performing any operation when I click on it. Yes.
Because we haven't assigned any task for that. Text button or
Yes.
button?
First thing is, as you said that we haven't performed any actions there. So if you want to perform, I said that this one is what, when I select this control, this one is which control? It is a text label. It is used to
Yes.
just to display some text. It is not able to perform any operation. It is just like a text control. It is one text label. It is used to display some text. Not possible to go and perform any actions. But I want to perform some action now. On select of this, get started. I want to perform some action. What action? I want to move from screen 1 to screen 2. So in order to go and perform the actions, this text label doesn't support guys. This is clearly, it is telling that it is a text label. It is used to display some text. It is not possible to go and perform any actions with the help of text labels. But here I need to go and perform some action. What's that action? I want to navigate from screen 1 to screen 2. In order to go and perform some actions, instead of going and taking the text control, I need to go and add one button here. With the help of buttons only, you are able to navigate from one screen to another screen. With the help of buttons only, you are able to perform some actions. So instead of going and keeping the get started as a text label, I need to go and keep what? Button. So just to select this control, text label, get started, and just remove it. How to remove? Click on, go to this label and click on delete. Click on delete. You can delete or directly select this one, and in your system click on Control X. You can cut it. So anyone you can do. Let me remove it guys. Let me go and remove this. Click on Control X. The control is going to be deleted. It will be removed. Now in place of adding the text control, I need to go and add what? I need to go and add the button. Text label is not performing any operations guys. It doesn't perform any actions. Not to go and perform the actions, go and use what? Button. So select the button. Keep the button here. Keep in the button in place of the get started, whatever, wherever you are having previously the text label. Just format it. Now go and change the background color. Go and change the background. From here you can change the background color, or otherwise you can scroll down in the properties pane. From here you can change. Go to the fill property and change the background color to yellow, and change the font color to black. Change the font color to black. Now see, by default is keeping the text as a button. I want to change it to get started. How to change it? Select the control, go and select the text property. When I select the text property, it will, in the ribbon it is able to show the same text property here. It will select the same text property here also. Now go and change the text here. By default is button. Let me go and change it to get started. Let me go and change it to get started. And also let me do some formatting. Let me change it to 26. Change the font size. Now let me keep it in the semi bold. Now see, it is one button now guys. I'm keeping something called get started. Let me increase some size to 28. Fine. Now it looks good. Now whenever I select this button, this is button control. Now see, when I select this, it is one button. Now when I select this button, I want to navigate from screen 1 to screen 2. Now see, before going to navigate from screen 1 to screen 2, just go and save the app and play this. Now see here guys, by default it is stating that get started. On select of this button, I want to navigate from screen 1 to screen 2. Okay, it is fine. But now see, when I hover the mouse on this, now I'm able to something called icon guys. There is something hand icon is there, hand raise. So why? Because it's the button. Previously I'm not able to see the hand raise here, hand icon. So but one thing you need to understand, when I hover the mouse on this, it is changing the background color to blue. I don't want to change it. When I hover the mouse also, I want to keep the same yellow color. Now how to change it? I want to do some formatting here. So just go and select the control, go to the properties. In the properties there is something called hover color. When I hover on this button, when I hover the mouse on this button, what is the fill color is changing? Blue. I want to change from blue to yellow. So by default is something like color, and go and select this one. Go and select this fill color. Just copy and go to this hover color and paste it here. Now see, The color is changed. What is the color? Hover color now? Yellow. Now go and save the app. Now play it. Now see, previously when I hover the mouse on this, it is changing the color to blue, but now it is not changing the hover fill color, guys. Now when I hover this, the fill color is same yellow, but see, when I hover this, when I hover on this, the text color is changing. The text color is changed to white. When I hover the mouse on this, I want to keep the same color as a text, black color. So how to do it? Select the control, scroll down, go to the properties, and there is something called hover. Hover, it is white color, font color is white. Just go and select this and go and select the font color as what? Black. Now go and save it. Go and save the app, play the app now. Now see, previously when I hover it, it is changing the text color to white. Now see, when I hover the mouse on this button, it is not changing the background color, it is not changing the text color. And also when I click on this button, if you see, it is changing to black color, guys. The background is changed to black. Now I want to change this one also. How to change it? Select the text, select the control, scroll down. Now pressed color, there is something called pressed color. On select of this, press, if I press on this button, the fill color is what? Black. I want to change it to what? Yellow. I want to change it to what? Yellow. Whenever I press, whenever I press this button, at that time also, pressed color also, I want to keep fill color is what? Yellow. And I want to change the pressed font color to same yellow. I want, let me keep it as same yellow only, guys. Let me go and save it and play it. Now see, when I hover it, it is not change the color. When I press it, now see, when I press also, the background color is not changing. Now when I click on it, when I click on this button, now it will act as a button or not? When I click on it, now see, when I click on it, is blinking. That means now this one will act as one button. Now on select of this button, I want to navigate from screen 1 to screen 2. Now whenever I select this button, now see, whenever I select this button, now it is not performing any action. I want to perform some action here. What is that action? I want to navigate from screen 1 to screen 2. Now how to go and perform that action, guys? Not to go and perform that action, select the control. Now this control is having one property. That property is on select property, guys. There is one property for this control. What is that property? On select. On select of this button, on select of this button, what need to happen? I want to navigate from screen 1 to screen 2. So select the on select property. Currently it is false. Remove it. I want to use the function called navigate function. Navigate. I want to navigate from screen 1 to which screen? Screen 2. Now see, when I keep it here, keep it here, guys. Now see, whether you want to navigate to which screen? Screen 2 or welcome screen? I want to navigate to screen 2. So just go and keep here screen 2. Close it. Navigate. Whenever I click on this button, I'm using the function called navigate, which is used to navigate from one screen to another screen. Navigate to which screen? Screen 2. Now go and play the app. Now when I go and play the app, now try to understand, when I select this get started, now it is navigating to the screen 2 or not? Yes, this is my screen 2. Now in this screen 2, once after navigating to the screen 2, now I need to go and perform these actions, guys. Whenever the user or my team click on this phone icon, it need to call to the front office team or a customer support. When I click on this WhatsApp, it need to contact the WhatsApp. When I click on this Instagram, it need to open the official web page of Instagram AB trainings. When I click on this Facebook, it need to go and open the official Facebook account of AB trainings. I want to perform these operations now. Now how to go and perform it? Now first let me show you how to go and call, guys. How to make a call to the customer support on select of this button. It is not a button, it is like an icon, guys. It is an image. In this image, I'm keeping some images, some icon I'm keeping. Now select this. For this also there is one property called on select property. There is one property called on select. Now go and select the on select property. Now see, by default is false. Now I want to remove this. Now on select of this icon, what need to happen? I want to make a call to the support team. Now how to make a call to the support team? In order to go and make a call, there is another function you need to go and use it. What is that function is? Launch function, guys. What's that function? Launch. Now within the launch, now see, it is asking us to pass what? Address. You need to pass here the address, guys. Launch function is used to launch the websites. If you want to launch any, go to any one of the websites. In this case, you need to go and use this launch. Now see, launch. Within the launch, you need to go and pass the to which website you want to go and launch. On select of this. Now on select of this, I want to launch a call. I want to make a call to the support team. Now see here, within the single quotes, we need to go and use one keyword called tell. Tell is used to call to the support team. It not only support is used to make a call. Tell, and then backslash 91, add the code, and then after pass the mobile number case, whatever the customer support number is. Let's say I'm passing here 77997777. I think it is not the one. Let me check what is the mobile number for the support team. 77. This is the support team, front office team. 7799771213, and then close it. Just close it. This is the syntax. This is the function, launch function I'm using, which is used to make a call. In this, what I'm using something called tell, and then backslashes 91, and then go and pass the number. To which number you want to redirect all the calls, you can pass that number here. Once after passing this, click on the save. Now see, on select of this, launch. What I want to launch, make a call to this, make a call. Or let me do one thing, instead of going on calling to them, let me go and pass my mobile number here. I don't want to disturb them. Let me go and pass my mobile number here. This is the syntax, or this is the function which is used to go and make a call. And next one, I want to chat with the customer care guys, or I want to chat with them in the WhatsApp. Now in order to go and chat with them, select the WhatsApp icon, go to the on select property, just remove it. By default is false. Now go and use the function here, what, launch function, open brackets and close brackets, with no open brackets and close brackets, double quotes. You need to pass it here, http. You need to use here http, and then colon, double backslash, and then we need to use something called wa.me, wa.me, and then backslash. Now go and pass the mobile number guys. Let me pass the mobile number as 7799771213. Just pass the mobile number. Now this is the syntax which is used to go and contact the support team through WhatsApp. Whenever I click on this WhatsApp icon, it need, with the help of this, it is going to contact the support team through WhatsApp. So to talk to the WhatsApp, you need to go and use what, wa.me, wa.me, which is used to go and contact through WhatsApp guys, for WhatsApp. Just next, I need to go into what, Instagram. Whenever I click on this Instagram icon, it need to open the official Instagram account for AB trainings. So select this one, go to the on select property, and here by default is false. Now here I need to go and pass the address of the Instagram account case for the AB trainings. So let me go and select the Instagram account for the AB trainings. Let me go to the Google. And let me check AB trainings Instagram account. AB trainings Instagram account. I think this is the one, not this one. Or let me keep here analytics benchmark Instagram account. opening. Let me check. This is not the one. AB training Instagram account. I'm searching for the web URL. Let me go to this page. I think from here you can find it. I click on this Instagram. Yes, now it is opening here. Now just go and copy this URL, guys. I want to just copy this URL. Just copy it and go to the Power Apps. Go to the Instagram icon. Go to the onSelect property and use here a function called launch. Now within this launch function, within this double quotes, pass that URL, pass that web URL. Now just click on the OK button. Now see, on select of this icon, Instagram icon, it is going to open this web URL, guys. In this web URL, what is there? Official website for official web Instagram account for AB trainings. Next, in the same way, I need to go and when I click on this Facebook account, it need to go and open the Facebook official website or official web account. Now just select this Facebook. Let me go and find out the Facebook account. Go to this and click on the Facebook. I think it is asking us to log in. I think I forget the password. Let me do one thing. AB trainings Facebook account. I think this is the one. No. Yes, this is the one. Just remove it. Analytics benchmark. I want to navigate this one, guys. Directly, I want to go and click on it. So just copy this URL, and then now go to the Power Apps, go to the Facebook icon, go to the onSelect property, and then remove this. Use the launch function here. Launch within this double quotes. Go and pass that web URL. Now see, I'm passing some web URLs here, guys. When I select this mobile, I need to call to this front office team. When I click on the WhatsApp, I need to go and contact through WhatsApp. When I click on this Instagram, it need to open the official web Instagram account. When I click on the Facebook, it need to open the official Facebook account. Now let me go and check whether these are working properly or not. So just save it and go and click on play. Now see here, guys, I will show you how to work with these two. Here in the Chrome, in this website, we are not able to check. I need to go and open it in the app. First, let me go and check the Instagram. Now see, when I click on the Instagram, directly to opening the Instagram account or not. When I select this Instagram icon, if you see, when I select this, directly it is going and opening what? Directly it is going and opening the analytics benchmark Instagram account. And also in the same way, when I go and click on this Facebook, now see it need to go and open the Facebook account. Now see by the first it is asking us to log in. Once if you pass the login details, you are able to see the Facebook account for analytics benchmark. So whenever I click on this icon, now I'm able to open these websites, guys. When I click on this Instagram, I'm able to navigate to the Instagram account. When I click on this Facebook, I'm able to navigate to the Facebook account. Now let me go and check this too, WhatsApp and also the phone call. Let me check the WhatsApp from here itself. Let me go and check the WhatsApp from here itself. Now see, when I click on this WhatsApp, now directly it is loading. You can go and click on the continue to chat, or you can download them. Instead of going and showing these two options here, let me go and connect to my mobile. In my mobile, I will show you how to call to them and how to chat with them. So in order to go and connect to my mobile, let me go and open one software here. That software I'm going to use it here is AnyDesk. It is one remote control. Let me go and open the AnyDesk. Let me connect to my mobile. So here I need to enter my AnyDesk account details. Let me enter the details here. Just I'm connecting to my mobile from here, guys, not more than that. It's taking some time. Just click on cancel. 1983477668. Just click on connect. Just wait. It will connect to my mobile. Just 1 second. It's not connecting. Fine. Now see here, guys. I'm connecting to my mobile from here. Fine. Now in this, first of all, let me go and install the. Let me go and install the app, Power Apps. So just go to the Play Store. There is some lag is there. Go to the Play Store and search for Power Apps, and then search for Power Apps. There is one Power Apps app here, guys, in the Play Store. Go and click on this Power Apps. Now go and click on the install button. Go and click on the install Power Apps. Second one, go and click on install. Now I'm going to install the Power Apps in order to go and show you how to make a phone call and how to go and chat with the customer support through WhatsApp. Now see, once after installation, now you can go and open it. Just click on the open button. Click on open. Now here you need to sign in. Click on sign in. Click on this sign in. Click on this sign in. When I click on sign in for the first time, it will ask you to enter the username and password. So here you need to go and enter the username and password, guys. So already I'm logging with some users. So I'm going to use this user now. Venky@AB Trainings Hub. I'm going to use this user. By default for you, it will ask to pass the credentials, email ID and password. So whatever the email IDs you are having for the Power Apps, go and enter that email ID and password. Now see, here just go and click on the first one, guys. Just go and click on the first one. When I click on it, now it is going to log into the Power Apps through that credentials. Now just here go and click on the allow button, guys. Allow Power Apps to send the notifications. Yes, click on allow. When I click on allow, now see, I'm able to open the Power Apps in my mobile. Now on the top left side, there is an icon. So just go and click on it. When I click on it, from here you are able to see what is the username you are logging in. What's the username you are logging in. Now I want to check those apps, guys. Now see, recently I created one app. What's that app I created now? Just now. This is the app I created. Now just go and publish this app, guys. Go and click on publish. Once if you publish, then only you are able to see the complete functionality from here. Once after publish this, now go to this mobile. Now go and click on the AB Trainings app. This is the app just now we are working with. Now just go and click on this, guys. Go and click on the AB Trainings. When I click on the AB Trainings, it is giving some suggestions for us. Click on next. Click on got it. And now see, it is opening the same app in my mobile. Now when I click on the get started, now see, when I go and click on the get started in my mobile, now it is navigating to which screen? Screen 2. Now in the screen 2 already we tested the Instagram and Facebook. Now we need to go and test what? Phone call. Now see, when I go and click on this phone call icon, let me check whether it is calling to it or not. When I click on it, now see, it is asking us to call. Now when I click on this icon, phone icon, it's taking some time. Now see, it is asking us to call it, whether you want to call. Now just go and click on call button, guys. When I click on this call, now I'm able to call it now. When I click on the call, it is somewhat a delay. Now see, it is displaying that number and you can just go and click on the call. When I click on this, you are able to call to them. So this functionality is also working here. If you want to contact the support team or front office team through contact directly through mobile phone, you can go and use this phone icon. And next one, what's the next one? I need to go and check this WhatsApp. Let me check I'm able to contact to the support team through WhatsApp or not. Now when I click on this WhatsApp icon, when I click on this WhatsApp icon, now it is going to open the WhatsApp for business. So I'm not having the WhatsApp for business, not have any services. So I'm not going to do it now. If you go and click on agree and continue, now it is asking us to pass some mobile number. I need to pass some mobile number. So anyway, once if I click on it, it will allows you to go and chat with them, guys. I don't want to go and log in with this again. So like this, if you want to check these operations, you can go and open the same app in your mobile phone and you can test it now. So from here, just now I discussed about how to go and click on this. When I click on this, it is calling to the customer support. When I click on this WhatsApp, it will chat with them. When I click on this Instagram, you can navigate to the Instagram page. When I click on this Facebook, you can navigate to the Facebook account. And next we are going to discuss about in the next class. That is, when I select this new student registration, it need to go and open one form. It need to go and open one form where the student can fill the form here. Once after filling the form, he need to submit that. Once if he submit the form, the student need to get one message that registration completed successfully. Now how to perform this, we'll be discussing it in the next class, that is in the tomorrow's class. Now see, we discussed only two screens here now in today's session, guys. One is welcome screen. On select of this button, get started. When we are navigating the screen 2, and in the screen 2 we are performing these actions. When I select these icons, it is going to make a call, it's going to chat with them, open the Instagram official web account and Facebook official account. So these are things we perform here. In the next class, that is tomorrow, we'll discuss when I click on this new student registration, it need to go and open one new form where the student can fill their details. Once after filling the student details, he need to go and click on the submit button. Once they click on the submit button, then the student need to get something like registration is successful, thanks for registering. So how to go and create the form and how to open this form whenever I click on this button, we'll be discussing those things in the tomorrow's class. Fine, let me go and stop here today.